Hi everyone, this is a slow stitch embellishment kit. So everything you see here, I've put fabrics, trimmings, bling, appliques, pearly bits, vintage lace, lots more pearly bits, some flowers, lots of different trims. More bling, more pearly bits, some buttons, little cameo there, mini one, doilies, several doilies in there, oh, and some beaded trim here. So this is the slow stitch embellishment kit. There's only 5 available. If you want them, go and grab them. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.